Hi, Dan for Gear Diary,
This is Raina.
my wife. And Raina's being a really good sport today, but there's actually a reason why she agreed to do this. She'd already agreed to do this, but I didn't leave her any coffee this morning, and she's having a bit of a caffeine issue.
Slump.
So, again, Dan from Gear Diary, and for the past year and a half or so, I've been what Starbucks refers to as one of their blogger community people. So they've been sending me a box of Starbucks products every season, so 3 or 4 a year. So I've been able to try lots of different Starbucks products. And if you actually go to Gear Diary, geardiary.com, you'll see a couple of those posts. This time out, they sent a few different drinks for the end of summer, the beginning of fall. And we thought that we'd actually do a taste test on camera instead of just writing about them. So we're going to try each of these. We're going to start with the lighter one. So this is the Starbucks Refresher, Revitalizing Energy. It has coconut water. This drink is 12 ounces. It has 90 calories in it. And it's carbonated water, coconut water from concentrate, whatever. It is Starbucks Refreshers. We're going to open this up and do a little taste test and then try the other ones. Now that I got it all over myself.
Also, just so
Oh, it's
you know,
tasty.
it says it is a revitalizing energy drink. This feel-good blend with vitamins and ginseng has just the right amount of caffeine from green coffee extract.
So I don't know what just the right amount is, because just the right amount is like lots. So that's pretty good.
Is it delicious?
That's pretty good.
What is this? Refreshers.
It's peach flavor.
Oh, that's tasty.
Isn't that good? Give me some more.
It's refreshing. It's got it's not carbonated exactly.
Got a little tiny bit of fizz.
A little tiny bit of fizz, and it's very light. What a great summer drink.
It's good, right? Mm-hmm. All right, good. We're going to put this aside for a second. Can we have the water and we'll just kind of...
Oh, gonna do a rinse.
Going to do a rinse.
Hey, check out this cool cup.
That was from another box a while ago. So this is a black cherry limeade, the same refresher from Starbucks. Sparkling fruit juice, coconut water, just the right amount of caffeine. Ooh, that's even better. It's a little bit heavier in the flavor. 90 calories per can.
That's pretty good. I think this one's a little bit heavier.
It is definitely heavier.
I think the peach passion fruit was sort of a lighter flavor, but this is good. It's not too sweet, which I appreciate.
Trade. Okay, so I think this is a new product for Starbucks. So the refresher is Vitalizing Energy. Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Excellent. All right. Moving right along. This is a much bigger can. This is the Starbucks Double Shot Energy. It has guarana. Is that how it's pronounced?
I think so.
Guarana, vitamin B, and ginseng. It is an energy coffee beverage. So this is a 15-ounce can.
You know, it's interesting because it does look like a much bigger can, but it's only 3 more ounces than this can.
Really? Oh, it does look a lot bigger.
Optical illusion.
So this can has one serving also, but this is 200 calories. The other one was 90 calories. And it's got coffee, skim milk, sugar. It's a double shot energy drink. Spiced vanilla. That's actually really good.
Is it?
But yeah, but it's 200 calories, so that's a lot of calories.
Oh, that's good.
Isn't it? Tasty.
Yeah, I like that.
It's like dessert. It's like dessert in a can.
Well, I think it actually it's got 10 grams of protein in it, which is pretty good. So it could be
Like a meal replacement
like
almost?
maybe a meal replacement.
But we're not physicians, so we're not.
No,
making
we're
any
not giving you dietary advice, but
No.
I'd say for a can of 200 calories and 10 grams of protein, that's almost as much as in like the bars and stuff that I eat.
This is better tasting.
This tastes way better.
That's good. All right, that's the double shot. Next up, the double shot energy. This is the Mexican mocha.
I'm very interested to see what Mexican mocha tastes like.
It's lighter than the last one.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it is lighter.
Uh-huh.
I
What, you
don't
think it was
really-
lying?
No, but I don't really, it doesn't seem to have much of a flavor.
Well, that's because we unintentionally went with the stronger one first.
What's Mexican about it?
The name?
What do they say?
I don't know.
A Mexican chocolate-inspired kick of flavor.
Tasty.
I taste a little tiny
200
chocolate,
calories.
but
And then finally, we've got a Frappuccino, a chilled Frappuccino drink. This is white chocolate mocha. This bottle has 300 calories. That's pretty heavy on the calories. One bottle, 300 calories, 9 grams of protein.
coffee, skim milk, sugar, cream. Good thing I took a lactate.
Thanks for sharing that with the audience.
You're welcome.
I'll try this one first.
Yeah, should I
Give it a
shake?
shot.
I'm gonna
I
shake.
shook it.
You did?
I did.
Oh, I missed that.
I'm not paying attention. You need to pay attention to me more.
Whew.
What?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good.
Ooh, that's really good. What if you like froze it, like made a frozen snack out of it?
Probably easier to just go to Starbucks and get one, no?
No, but the thing is, all of these you can actually buy in the store. And the idea is that you have them at home. So, for example, if your loving husband accidentally drinks all the coffee and doesn't leave you any and you don't want to brew anymore, you can have your caffeine fix. So which would you like since you need caffeine? You can have the Frappuccino, the Spiced Vanilla Double Shot Energy, the Mexican Mocha Double Shot Energy, the Refresher in Black Cherry, or the Refresher in Peach Passion.
I'm going to go with the peach passion.
I knew you would.
Thank you.
So all these are available in your store. I really appreciate Starbucks being willing to let us taste lots of their different products and sending us a box pretty much every quarter. You'll see links to purchase this in the post over on Gear Diary. You can also go to your grocery store. You can also go to Starbucks in town. This is Dan from Gear Diary.
And Raina.
Thanks very much for watching.
Bye.
Cheers.